Meta takes down deepfake of Ukraine's President Zelensky surrendering. Oh, my God. Jeez. That's 2022. That's a 2022 headline.
That's so freaky.
The deepfake. Can I tell you the deepfake?
Please do.
I'm watching Boba Fett. I'm watching the end of it.
Okay.
Recently, kids are like, let's just be done with that. Like, we have an hour. Let's watch the final thing. And it's got Luke Skywalker going on. Young Luke Skywalker. And I don't know if it's deep fake or what's going on with the CG or whatever techniques are being used. But I start to notice that, like, there's techniques to how to make it seem more real. I mean, this is not news, but there's certain moments where it looks really, really good. And then other moments, and it could be angles or shadows, something where it's like so wrong and so obviously fake. But for things like this, where you might have a static webcam, it would be so easy to do. And
when it's not high resolution.
Low resolution.
Yes.
So, but I guess in this case, you also have to have him saying words he didn't say. So you have the voice aspect going on. If he's saying he's surrendering, which obviously he didn't say. Meta removed an altered video falsely depicting Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky ordering troops to surrender Wednesday. The video is the latest alarming milestone in the parallel information war accompanying Russia's brutal invasion of neighboring Ukraine, but it was a moment that Ukraine's government and social media companies appear to have been prepared for. Of course, you have to be aware of these capabilities, don't you? And then they have an entire policy around manipulated media. It's like now you need the detection systems to be so aware of these fake content techniques where it can knock stuff down before it's capable of proliferating. Because the problem is it doesn't have to get out to that many people to start to cause effects in the real world. If even a small number begin to share it, it can be a real, rapid kind of movement of a story.
Yeah,
I mean, I feel like I've experienced this already on Twitter a number of times. And so Russian hybrid warfare in action. Ukraine 24 TV channel was hacked. The news ticker started displaying President Zelensky's fake capitulation address. He refuted the fake, stating that only people he can offer to lay down arms is the Russian troops. So he obviously disputed it. Futuristic warfare, guys. It's not only fought on the battleground.